Welcome, dear ones. I am Fedrajani, and you are listening to Inner Light, a podcast dedicated to kindle light of meaning into your life. In our journey through the symbolism of animals, today we will explore the symbolism of the rooster, or on a deeper spiritual level, the phoenix. Well, at first, these two birds may seem very different. The rooster belongs to the earth. He walks upon the ground, watches carefully, announces the morning, and leaves according to the rhythm and order. The phoenix belongs to the realm of myth. It rises from fire, carrying the mystery of death, renewal, and spiritual rebirth. And yet symbolically they meet at one profound point. Both announce a new beginning. Phoenix is one of the most impressive and symbolic mystical creatures associated with ancient Greek tradition. In ancient Greece and Rome, the phoenix symbolized the sun, time, and cyclical rebirth. Adapted from the Egyptian Bennu bird, classical writers like Herodotus and Ovid transformed the creature into a magnificent red and gold firebird representing immortality, endurance, and the permanent, unbreakable continuity of the state. In Carl Jung's analytical psychology, the phoenix is a powerful archetypal symbol of psychological transformation, rebirth, and the ultimate realization of the self. Rather than just a literal sign of recovery, Jung viewed the fiery self-destruction and renewal of the mythical bird as an image of the individuation process, where the old ego must burn away so more whole psyche can emerge. On the other side, in the Chinese traditional astrology, the rooster is the 10th animal of the Chinese zodiac cycle. Its appointed direction is west, its fixed element, its yin metal, its season is autumn, and its principal month is September. Its symbolic qualities include keen judgment, perception, and the ability to plan carefully. The rooster is described as highly perceptive, quick-minded, organized, hardworking, and capable of anticipating how a situation may develop. He values efficiency, he plans, and when he commits himself to something, he wants to do it properly. The rooster is even associated with the figure of the administrator, one who watches over things, restores order, values precision, and faithfully performs his duty. A rooster wants to be seen. With his magnificent feathers, upright posture, and unmistakable voice, the rooster rarely disappears into the background. Symbolically, this connects him with self-expression, individuality, color, beauty, presentation, and pride. The rooster is someone who wishes to be distinctive, who appreciates color and pattern, and whose appearance can carry a strong personal signature. And perhaps there is nothing wrong with wanting to shine, but there is a great difference between attention and radiance. Attention must constantly be obtained from outside. Radiance comes from within. And this is where the symbolism of the rooster begins to transform into something much greater. It becomes the symbolism of the phoenix. The phoenix is one of humanity's great symbols of transformation. The rooster's energy is naturally intense. It is ambitious, active, observant, proud, and determined, Only then does the ordinary rooster becomes the mystical phoenix. Because behind the rooster's confidence and sometimes difficult exterior lies another quality: service. The rooster, despite criticism, stubbornness, and excessive certainty, often genuinely wants to help. He is willing to work, he takes responsibility, and organizes what has fallen into disorder. And when somebody truly needs assistance, his conscience and sense of duty can bring him forward. And so, dear ones, the rooster and the phoenix reveal two stages of one symbolic journey. The rooster awakens, the phoenix transforms. The rooster announces the light, the phoenix becomes it. May you have the courage to walk through the fire of transformation. May you always remember that even from the ashes, a new light can rise. Thank you very much for listening to today's episode. Dear ones, I hope you enjoyed it. If you do like this podcast, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I am Fedrajani, and you are listening to Inner Light. Take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next episode.